Reproductive system. Sa diaphragm. Whale shark lack a true diaphragm which is typically found in mammals. Instead, they have a flexible structure called the muscular septum that aids in respiration. So, ang diaphragm they have a flexible structure na ginatawag muscular septum. Testes. The testes of whale sharks are parts of their reproductive system and are relatively small compared to their oversize. So, ang testes ng whale shark, kita yung mandala sa chore, magamay, inasa. Kung ano sa kadako, gentile slit. The gentile slit of the whale shark is an important anatomical feature of its reproductive system. That's a picture. Anus. The anus of the whale shark is located near the cloaca, positioned on the other side of the body. So, ang anus sa whale shark dapit sa sa iya body. Anus. Pelvic bone. The pelvic bone of the whale shark are integral to its reproductive system. Particularly in males. Pelvic. Retractor penis muscle. The retractor penis muscle of whale shark is an important part of its reproductive anatomy, particularly in males. Ang pelvic bone. Vas deferens. The vas deferens of the whale shark is an important part of the male reproductive system. Skeletal system. The skeletal system of the whale shark is distinctively adapted for its size and lifestyle. Unlike most fish, which have a bony skeleton, the whale shark has skeleton made primarily of cartilage, similar to the of shark and rays. So, ang whale shark naman niya, ang skeleton is hindi pareho sa iban nga fish nga, ang iban nga fish siya, di ba may ano ganina, ang himbis, pero ang skeletal sang whale shark is lang, bony skeleton. The skeleton support its large streamlined body, allowing it to efficiently filter feed on plankton and small fish. Key features include a well-developed cranium or robust jaw filled with hundreds of tiny teeth and a series of cartilaginous structures that reinforce its gills and fins, contribute to its overall agility in the water. Blowhole. A blowhole is the hole or spiracle at the top of the head through which the animal breathes air. So, ang blowhole sang blue shark ini sa galing nila sa whale. Dapit sa iya nga ulo. Ang mouth. The mouth of the whale shark is a distinctive feature of its anatomy, playing a critical role in its filter feeding lifestyle. So, ang mouth sound. Eye. The eye of the whale shark are important sensory organs adapted to their marine environment. Ventral fleets. The ventral fleets of the whale shark are important anatomical features that aid in its feeding machines. Sa ventral fleets ang whale shark is muna sa ang feeding machines niya. Pectoral fin. The pectoral fin of the whale shark are key features that contribute to its swimming and maneuverability. Ang pectoral fin is muna sa ang kung mag-swim ang shark. Dorsal fin. The dorsal fin of the whale shark is a prominent and distinctive features that play several important roles. Ang dorsal fin is muna sa whale shark, muna sa importante role sa iya. Dorsal ridge. The dorsal ridge of the whale shark is distinctive anatomical features that runs along the length of its back. So, ang dorsal ridge sang whale shark is ang araw. Say ang laba. Tail flukes. The tail flukes of the whale shark are crucial for its propulsion and maneuverability in the water. Sa ang iyang tail.